What's up, guys? Yay! A book. So the first one, Dogman Behind the Scenes. And I'll snuggle that. Dogman Behind the Scenes. One time, George met Harold in kindergarten. Nice to meet you. Me too. They became best friends and started making comics. The very first was an epic novel called The Adventures of Dogman. Over the years, they made tons of Dogman comic books. One day in 4th grade, they got a new idea. They started making a new comic. Soon, their lives got really complicated. There was danger, horror, and ridiculous, convoluted plot lines. Just as when it seemed like things couldn't get any worse, things got better. Hey, all the drama had come to an end. But there were still lots of unanswered questions. Where are the doubles? Where's Tony, Orlando, and Dawn? I'm just going to skip this part. Dogman, Chapter 1. My hero is unleashed. Dogman by George and Harold. Beep beep, oh boy, my new couch is here. She's real beauty, Chief, I know. We put it in your office. Thanks, fellas. I can't wait to be the first one to sit on it. Calling all cops, come to my office. You can watch me break in my brand new couch. Oh boy, this is gonna be great. I read till Chapter 3. Hey, Officer Knight and Greg, the dog. You got dirty shoes and dog hair everywhere. You're the worst cops ever. Get out of my sight. Aw man, Chief's really mad at us again. I wish I could do something heroic to impress him. Uh-oh. Chapter 3. What? Where's Chapter 3? Okay, we'll just read Chapter 2 because it's long. The cop and the police dog are back. Who cares? Aren't you worried about those two? Heck no. Check this out. Officer Knight is a tough cop, but he ain't got no brains. The Greg, the dog, is smart, but his body's weakness. Yeah, but they work together. Might be a problem. Fortunately, I have got a solution. Help, it's a bomb. Officer Greg ran to defuse the bomb. Here's what you like to cut. Red or green? Grr. Okay, green it is. And so, snip, kabooey. Oh no, I forgot the dogs were colorblind. Wee-oo, wee-oo, wee-oo. And soon, how do you feel, old friend? Ruff. Me too. What is it? Has thousands of dollars in latest technology. Firecrackers only cost $5. Even enough with the firecrackers. This is a cooler way. And once I turn it on, it will chase Dogman. It's ready to rumba. Go on and run. You haven't got a chance. This vacuum has 3,000 HP motor. Ocean City, gulp. Dude, that giant vacuum cleaner just swallowed my surfboard. Bummer, dude. Let's get out of the water. I can't swim. Besides, this is a vacuum cleaner. This vacuum cleaner isn't supposed to get wet. No fair. The vacuum cleaner is stuck up to sea. The bag got fuller and fuller and fuller. Meanwhile, under the water, gulp. The vacuum cleaner had won the war. Or has he? We've got to get this bag out of the seawater. Busts. Whoa! Boing, boing. Peter grabbed on with claws, and the vacuum began to rip, pop. Peely got washed away in the super tidal wave. It looked like this was the end. You're not such a bad guy after all. I've got to say one thing to you. Click rats. Flip-o-rama. I can't do it. Well, Dogman, I guess I was all wrong about you. Put her there. Ready for Dogman, Chapter 2. Robot Keith. Bye, guys. I'll see you guys tomorrow.